Hi, it's Brian Resney. It's question and answer day. And of course, we had a little bit of a volatility the last few weeks, a lot of it attributed to geopolitical events, whether it was Israel or Russia or whatever. But at the end of the day, remember, folks, you're going to get some of this, little bounces in the road. Don't let emotions ruin your portfolio. I see this all the time. A lot of the calls I receive on my radio and TV show are from often emotional investors who are basing the decision on what they heard from a cousin or an uncle or whatever, or a lot of negative headlines. I can tell you this, if you follow an investment strategy, you have a great chance of success with your portfolio. If you don't follow an investment strategy and you're shooting from the hip and you're making emotional decisions, it's going to hurt your portfolio. So while we continue to get record numbers of calls from our TV and radio listeners about negative headlines and Russia and Israel and all these things that are happening, equity markets, generally speaking, are only 2 or 3 percentage points off their high. What does this tell you? We look at the hard fundamentals. Things are getting better. As long as you look at fundamentals, you add in technicals and relative strength to those decisions, I feel investors can make more informed decisions. So remember, folks, emotions should never be a part of your portfolio decisions, and don't read negative headlines, because after you've read them, they're probably already priced into the markets, whether it's bond or the stock market. Sound investing requires discipline and an investment strategy. More importantly, when to sell. I can tell you right now, if we look at the long-term trends, things are getting better, and we don't see any recessions imminent, and we can look out pretty good for about 9 to 12 months. We update our models daily, but at the end of the day, we don't see any recession near in sight, and we actually see a slow pickup in the U.S. economy. Make sure you have yourself a safe and profitable day, and make sure you listen to my live TV show on Wednesdays, and of course our live radio show on Sundays.